Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Navy Federal Mortgage Portal, secure access step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your device. In the address bar, type in the Navy Federal website URL. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. On the home page, locate the Login button at the top right corner. Click on the Login button. From the drop-down menu, select Accounts and then choose Mortgage. You will be directed to the mortgage login page. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you wish to remain logged in on this device, check the Remember Me box. Before proceeding, ensure that you are connected to a secure internet connection. Review your credentials for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Login button to access your mortgage portal. If you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. Once logged in, navigate through your mortgage options. You can view your account details, payment history, and more. If you encounter any issues during the login process, there is a customer support option available. Feel free to reach out for assistance as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.